KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a bell, a princess bell. First I am drawing its eyes. Let's draw with me. Now I am drawing its face. Now I am drawing its hair. You can draw with me. Now I am drawing its neck and its body. Now I am drawing its frog. Let's draw with me. I am drawing its arms. Let's draw its frog. Oh, look at my bell, a princess bell. Now I am going to color it. Now you can color with me. Skin color. First I am coloring its face and its neck and its hair. I am coloring its face.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am going to color its neck and its arm. Brown color. I am coloring its hair. Yellow color. I am coloring its frog. Hope you enjoy my coloring. Look at my bell. It's looking so pretty.
Subscribe us for more videos.